After watching this video, you can easily fix the YouTube is not responding on Android or YouTube app not opening or not working in Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Search for YouTube. Tap on it. Tap for stop. Tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap on delete. Now move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Search for YouTube. If you found any update available for your YouTube app, then update the application from here. In my case, there is no update available. Once the process has been completed, I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.